Okay, cross your fingers, Skylander. You know, if you have fingers. According to Chaos, the Dreamcatcher should be around here somewhere. What he didn't mention was that this place is totally cursed. The locals call it the poisonous swamp of bad decisions. Everyone who comes here apparently is doomed to make horrible choices. I just hope it wasn't a bad decision to trust Chaos. Be extra careful out there, Skylander. This could be a trap.
Whoa, buddy, if I were you, I would turn around. I stopped off here to pick up some supplies and my ship fell apart. The more I try to fix her, the more broken she gets. This place is cursed, I tell ya. But if you really want to get to the village, there's a crazy candle-headed guy who can take you.
Hey, can I get some help over here? Been stuck in this same spot for days, waiting for that creepy crawler to go away. Don't know why I even came to a graveyard in the first place.
Skylanders of the undead element are stronger in this zone.
Cut it out. Knock on wood.
You did it! I'm free! Name's Hedwig, by the way. And I heard you wanted to check out the village. I can take you there, but feel free to explore this graveyard beforehand. What's the worst that could happen? So this bridge right here will take you to a windmill. Top of that windmill is a crane. Crane will take you down to the swamp, and the swamp will take you to the village. Why did we make it so difficult? It's that curse, I tell you! See what I mean? Come on, total curse!
Call of the Wild.
I should probably just open the gate for you, but people here are prone to making bad decisions. Got a curse on our village, you know. But what if we played Skystone Smash first? If you win, you can pass. Let the Skystones decide.
Sheep Creep. Chef Pepperjack. Fireball.
Spice it up!
Bruiser Cruiser. Maskermind. Slobber Trap. Walrus.
I'm actually glad you won. I wanted to let you by, but just couldn't let myself make another bad decision. But the cards say you're all right.
Villains are stronger in this zone.
Live on the edge. Oh, yeah.
Villains are stronger in this zone.
I was going to have Marcia help us out, but it looks like she's locked in a cage. More bad luck. Hey, maybe you could break her out.
So nice of you to release me. I will repay the favor by escorting you through the swamp. It's quite poisonous, you know.
Sure is. We tried to dry the place up years ago, but all we did was make it more poisonous. See what I mean? You don't want any part of that. But Marcia here can protect you with her magic. Follow her.
See the light!
Yes, I can make a protective force field to keep the mist out. Stay close. You must stay within my force field. I find the swamp quite beautiful, even with the poison gases.
Fortune favors the brave.
You'd think everyone would want to live here, but the town moved to higher ground a little while ago. Many say this village is cursed. So much bad luck. To me, though, there are no such thing as curses. But if you believe there are, you can make it real. Make more bad luck. So instead, believe in yourself. Believe you can make your own fate.
Unstoppable! I scream.
Skylanders of the magic element are stronger in this zone.
Quit eyeing me!
I scream defeated.
Skylanders of the magic element are stronger in this zone.
Talk to the hand! High five.
Act to the max!
See the light! I-5 defeated.
Put a light trap in the...
This is kind of fun! Whee! I-5 trapped. And here I come! At the ready! Illuminating!
What? Who are you? Was I asleep? I dreamed that Cyclopes attacked us and... Hey! That really happened! Are you here to get rid of them? Oh gosh, I hope so. This town has had enough bad luck. Here, let me open the gate. Oh boy, Outhouse Island over there broke off from its moorings and is slow... What happened? We were making a barricade to keep someone out. Or did I dream that?
Ready for battle! A guiding light.
Help us. Our dreams are so...
No. What are you doing? Don't wake the sleeping Mabu. Cut it out. Shh. Go back to sleep, little Mabu. Don't listen to Skylander. Skylanders are bad. Ugh, you woke up the whole town. You're wrecking my whole thing here. Now I need to find more dreams to steal.
Look on the bright side.
You know, after thinking about it some more, I am really, really mad at you for waking all those Mabu up! I mean, is it really such a crime to steal people's dreams?
Yeah!
Welcome to your nightmare, Skylander. So not fair! Ugh, what does the head have to do to get some good help around here? Oh, and gee, Skylander, why do you have to be such a pain? Well, I can be a pain too. Uh-oh, Skylander. Looks like more parts of the village are breaking apart. Gee, I sure hope you don't fall or anything. Fight back, you weirdos! Oh, come on! Ugh, it's starting to feel like a bad dream. Couldn't you just, like, give up or something? No? Well, I can dream, can't she? So not fair! Uh-oh. Oh, come on! Oh, come on! Ugh, you are seriously lame, Skylander. I'd so love to keep fighting, but I've got places to go. People to steal dreams from, etc. TTYL!
The dream catcher put us to sleep and tried to steal the information from our dreams about how to harness the power of Traptanium.
Well, that's one way to do it.
Good thing our dreams are pretty weird, though. I don't think she got anything. Except maybe the exact location of our science lab where, well, they might have a lot of information on Traptanium.
Then that's where we're headed next. And hey, maybe that means the end of bad luck for this town? Okay. We're gonna go now.
See? I told you I would lead you right to the dream catcher. Of course, I also assumed you wouldn't utterly bungle things and actually capture her, too. But who's counting?
You know, Chaos, if you really want to work with us, you might try being a little nicer.
Nicer? Don't make me laugh. Oh, I guess it's too late.
Look, pal, we're gonna need you to pull it together and tell us why she's headed out to this science observatory.
Well, obviously, those idiot dumb raiders can't get their ridiculous Traptanium contraption to work, and they need her to find out how to fix it. Ideally, by stealing the dreams of the brainy scientists that work there.
Well, then that's where we're headed too. I'm ready whenever you are, Skylander.